Good evening, friends. Paul here. I'm just working up this drawing here. A YouTuber who I follow named Sean James. His channel is My Self-Reliance, and he's got another channel called Sean James. Lives in Ontario, builds cabins with hand tools, working this up with some of these Tombow brush pens, which I've been using. As always, with a number 2 pencil to start with, and he's raised a wonderful family, financially successful, and is living out the dream in the outdoors. And he also has referenced Henry David Thoreau. Henry Bugby Kane is my favorite illustrator of Henry David Thoreau's Maine Woods. And I'll definitely post a link up here. Please check out that video, guys, if nothing else, because Henry Bugby Kane, man, he's just awesome. But I'm pretty happy with how this drawing turned out. I love brush pens. They're so expedient. Watercolors are great, but I mean, these things you just take off the cap and you're good to go. And also, they have these smaller tips on the end, which I forget to use. I mostly use the broad brush tips, but they have a smaller tip as well,